Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix a screen visibility problem on this device. Simply go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option accessibility. I tap on this option. Then here you can see the first option, vision enhancements. Select this one. Okay, so here you can see the option. You can see the option enlarge display. Under display mode, you can see default mode, high contrast mode, and you can see the option enlarge display. Then you need to enable the option enlarge display. Tap on apply. Now you can see the font size is increased and it will become bold. And also here you can see the option high contrast font. You can see the first option. Turn on this option. If you tap on this one, there will be a black block beside that fonts also. Okay, so if your screen looks harder to read, these simple settings can improve the clarity and visibility instantly. And also you can adjust the brightness also. From the quick settings, you can adjust the brightness according to your eye level. Okay, so simply in this way we can fix the screen visibility problem on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.